So today we are going to discuss, I'm going to give you one solved example of this article on the topic increasing obesity in children. So I'm going to discuss with this with you. Write down the date. Write down the date. Today is 11/11/20 and it is for the class 8. And you can write down the Wednesday. Article on increasing obesity in children. As you have read in your literature books also, there was a lesson related to health is wealth, if you remember that. Do you remember? We have read the lesson health is wealth. So it had 3 parts. The first one was the water pollution. It was related to the water pollution, if you remember, class 8th. And the second part was related to the diet. Veggie delight, it was something like that. And the third part was related to this junk food and all that. So this lesson had health is wealth has 3 parts, and in 3 parts they have discussed about the pollution, the obesity and the diet the children are taking. So all these topics are very common these days. So what do you think, what is the reason behind this? Why the obesity is increasing in our kids nowadays? What is the reason behind it? So that is why I have taken a very common topic. So all of you up to 8th class, you can write it down. So first of all, we have given the title, Increasing Obesity in Children. What I think is that the main reason of increasing obesity in children is that you are not taking the proper diet. आजकल जो बच्चे खाना खा रहे हैं, that is not proper. It's not nutritious. It is just adding to your calories and making you fatter and obese. What I think is, and I hope that you people also agree with me, because in olden times there was no such things. No junk food, no fast food was there. Everything was prepared at home by your mothers and your aunts and your dadis, nannies and all that. But nowadays all these customs, all these values are vanishing day by day, because the families are becoming nuclear. Very less joint families are there, and children mostly live with their parents only, mother, father and children. Either they are in the nuclear family. So that is the reason, that is why both the parents have started working. So neither the mother has much time for the children, and obviously fathers, from the very beginning, from the olden days, fathers have been the earning figure in the family. But nowadays the time has changed. Both the parents are working, so the mothers also don't have that much time to cook for the children. They just manage to cook the daily meals. So this may be the reason, one reason. And when there is no dadi at home, no grandmother is at home, so nobody can make the extra meals or some mouth savoring foods and recipes for their grandchildren. So this is one of the advantages of the joint family, and one of the disadvantages of living in a nuclear family. So one reason can be this, and the other can be the availability, the accessibility of this junk food. बहुत ज़्यादा easy हो गया है आजकल access to these junk food. Why? It is just a phone call away. You just call and the food will be delivered within a half an hour. So this is also one of the biggest reason for this junk food and increasing obesity. So let's start. Increasing obesity in children. In modern times, the problem of being overweight is quite prominent. Yes, it is quite prominent. ये problem काफी prominent हो गई है. क्यों? Children are suffering from this disorder, which was once considered to be meant for adults only. पहले क्या होता था बच्चे? पहले जो ये प्रॉब्लम होती थी, ये कभी बच्चों को नहीं होती थी. this was meant for the adults only in the earlier times. Okay, so in modern times the problem of being overweight is quite prominent. अब ये इतनी prominent हो गई है कि children are suffering from this disorder which was once considered to be the meant for adults only. तो पहले ये सिर्फ adults को होती थी बच्चे, बट अब ये आजकल आप देखेंगे मोस्टली बच्चों को ही आप पाएंगे कि बहुत दे आर ग्रोइंग फैट एंड दे आर पुट ऑन टू मच ऑफ कैलोरीज. एंड अगर हम उनका वो देखें, आयरन वगैरह चेक करें, HB चेक करें या प्रोटीन कैल्शियम चेक करें, अगर हम उनकी न्यूट्रिटिव वैल्यू चेक करें तो इट विल बी इन अ वेरी lower side. So it is only because of their diets. These days children lead a very sedentary lifestyle. All of you agree with me? Lifestyle तो आजकल बहुत change हो गया है बच्चे, with very little physical exercise. तो आजकल क्या है, physical exercises तो बिल्कुल nominal हो गई हैं. सब कुछ बैठे बैठाए मिल जाता है, सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिक हो गया है. तो हमारा जो लाइफस्टाइल है बहुत sedentary हो गया है. Technological advancement has reduced the physical exercise among the children. Obviously, when the technology is advancing, so definitely it will reduce something, and it is reducing the physical activities, the physical exercises among the children as well as the adults also, because they spend most of the time watching television, social networking sites, video games, and the playing video games and all that. तो आजकल बच्चे बाहर खेलना कम पसंद करते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके पास घर में इतना कुछ है खेलने के लिए, एंटरटेनमेंट के लिए, कि वो बाहर जाना पसंद ही नहीं करते. इन ओल्डन टाइम्स देयर वर नो सच थिंग्स, सो चिल्ड्रन यूज्ड टू प्ले आउटसाइड ओनली. एंड फॉर कम्यूटिंग ऑल्सो, इफ यू हैव टू send it for something from the market, you will call your child and say that you please bring this thing for me, I need this thing. So in earlier days they used to go walking, but nowadays you'll just pick up your scooter and move to the nearest shop to get that thing, isn't it? तो आजकल बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस आ गए हैं. हम लोग चलना ही नहीं चाहते हैं. वी डोंट वांट टू वॉक, वी जस्ट वांट कि हमें बस मशीन्स मिल जाएं और हम उन्हीं पे बैठ के काम कर लें, या सारा जो हमारा काम है ऑटोमेटिकली हो जाए. वी जस्ट डोंट वांट टू वर्क हार्ड नाउ. सो दिस इज द मेन रीजन. सेकेंड मेजर रीजन क्या है हमारा? सेकेंड मेजर कॉज ऑफ ओबेसिटी इज द जंक फूड दैट द चिल्ड्रन ईट. फर्स्ट हमारा हो गया लाइफस्टाइल, सेकेंड हमारा हो गया जंक फूड. सो दिस इंक्लूड्स बर्गर्स, पिज्जाज, नूडल्स एंड अवर एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स. आजकल हम कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स तो बहुत पीना पसंद करते हैं. Children will not like to drink milk. They will prefer Coke, Pepsi, this Maaza and all that. So these are good for nothing, bache. They are called as the juices, canned juices. Canned juices are of no use. They are added with the flavors and the preservatives. So it's better you drink milk and lassi, chach and lemonade. All these things are good for your body. So you should opt for the nutritious things much. This type of food is easily available and has a good taste also. Definitely it has a good taste. Everybody likes it. But it does much harm to the health also. पर उसका क्या होता है बच्चे, फ़ायदा तो नहीं हो रहा ना हमारे शरीर को उसका. हम कोल्ड ड्रिंक पी लेते हैं, उससे हमारे शरीर में कैलोरीज बढ़ जाती हैं, हम लोग और फैट दिखने शुरू हो जाते हैं, और हमारे शरीर को उससे कोई न्यूट्रिशन तो मिल नहीं रहा बॉडी को. But we are just taking it, consuming it for the taste, isn't it? So this type of food is easily available है and has a good taste also, but it does much harm to the health of a child. Child को क्या बच्चे, सबके लिए ही ये सब चीजें खराब ही हैं. Children love to eat chips, chocolates and ice creams instead of balanced diet. Yes, I agree with that. That children are more into eating all these things, chips and chocolates, wafers and Chinese food and all that, chili potato, and in spite of this balanced diet. Junk food is high in calories and that results in the obesity. And if the child is in the habit of eating vegetables, that child will be healthier also and the nutritive value in the body will also be in the good rate, at the good rate. But maximum children don't eat green vegetables. They'll prefer all these ready to eat vegetables or Chinese food or the junk food like this. They'll have burger for a vegetable or a chapati with curd and dal. They will prefer that to have a pizza or a burger in the place of that regular chapati and dal. So this is the reason, because there is a lot of change in our diets. We don't take much care in thinking about our diet, because what we are eating, it is just showing upon our health. It is telling upon our health. So it is about the time that the parents keep a watch on their child's health. So it is parents' duty also to keep a check on the child's health. They should feed them with the milk, fresh juices and fruits. Do you know that fruits are much better to eat than the juices, because in juices we don't get fiber, and if we eat fruits that way only naturally, so it will give us lot of fiber, and it is very important for our body. Fiber is very important for our body because it helps in eliminating the wastes from our body. So we need to eat lot of fiber also. So moreover, children should be encouraged to do the physical exercises also. Yes, we should encourage them to go and play for some time, do some physical exercises also, right? So it can be in any form, bache. Physical exercises, and that does not mean that you have to go out in the park and run and all that. Rather than you can just stay at home and dance for some time. It is also a very good physical exercise. No need to go out. If you don't have the space, or if you don't have a park near your house, you can just dance for 15 to 20 minutes. So your calories will be burned, and it's a very good form of exercise. So not only just the playing is a good exercise, likewise swimming is also very good. If you are having a swimming pool near your house, so you can go for that also, swimming or some karate, that judo karate, taekwondo and all that. And then if you have a park near your house, so it is well and good. You can just go for a walk early morning and evening also. So it is up to you that which form of exercise do you choose for you. So it can be dancing, it can be aerobatics, it can be swimming, or it can be just brisk walking. It can be yoga also, but it should include some physical exercise. Your body needs to be moved and stretched. So they should be encouraged to go to the parks to play, and sports should be the major part of the school curriculum also, right? In order to maintain the physical fitness of the school going children. So for the school going children, the physical activities should be made very, very important, and it should include in the school curriculum. There should always be a sports period and some sort of sports in the school, as well as when the children go home. So after giving a specific period of time in studies, you should take out some time, hour or so, for doing some physical exercises, doing stretching or just skipping, running, whatever you feel like doing. So you should definitely give some time to physical exercises, and try to restrict your diet up to the nutritious point of view. आपने ये देखना है कि ठीक है, once in a while you can have this pizza and burger, but try to consume more of nutritive foods like fruits or vegetables, or you can you can prepare yourself your pizza at home also with lots of veggies and cheese. So it will be a healthier option, bache. So what I say as your teacher, I would prefer that we should not have this problem in increasing obesity in the children. So with this, we have finished one topic. So all of you write down in your notebooks the article increasing obesity in the children. I am giving you showing you all the text which I have written for you people. You can just get it done in your notebooks. So class 8, keep doing your work practically also, and keep learning your work also, because after coming to school in a few days your exams will be starting. So whatever syllabus is covered, so it is my order that you should start learning. Okay.